Corner. Noun. The point where two converging lines meet, an angle, either external or internal. The corners of the wire mesh were reinforced with little blobs of solder. Corner. Noun. An edge or extremity, the part farthest from the center, hence, any quarter or part, or the direction in which it lies. Corner. Noun. A secret or secluded place, a remote or out-of-the-way place, a nook. On weekends, Emily liked to find a quiet corner and curl up with a good book. Corner. Noun. A place where people meet for a particular purpose. Welcome to our English corner. Corner. Verb. To drive someone into a corner or other confined space. The cat had cornered a cricket between the sofa and the television stand. Corner. Verb. To trap in a position of great difficulty or hopeless embarrassment. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.